You eating some grapes? Oh, one at a time, hon. Are they good? Are you dancing? Can you dance? Nice. Are your grapes yummy? Yeah, orange cup. You dropped it off, Mom. You dumped all Mommy's water, didn't you? Grapes? Hey, dance? Where are your sisters? Are they fighting? Yep, they sure are.